Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Suissewin water resistant 15.6-inch laptop backpack, your ultimate companion for school, travel, office and daily activities. With a 30-liter capacity and only 850 grams of weight. With a stylish black exterior, gives it a professional look suitable for a variety of settings. Plastic zippers, around huge zippers, with metal handle, cross is the logo, and here, I like it. Its robust construction ensures that your belongings will remain dry and protected due to the water resistant. Includes padded shoulder straps. I like it, very thick. A breathable back panel. And an adjustable strap to ensure comfortable carrying. Adjust the length wherever you want. And you can store it here if you have enough length. I like it. We have another plastic here, very durable. Suissewin airflow, it says here, very thick at the back. And at the bottom we have the logo. Very thick construction, I just love it. Thanks to its durable construction, reinforced stitching and high quality materials, this product is built to withstand heavy use and ensure long-lasting performance. So, what we can carry with this bag? Inside, it features a padded compartment that can securely fit laptops of up to 15.6 inch. There you have it, so easy. Offering excellent protection, and not only for your laptop or a 12-inch tablet. Nice. And secure. We have mesh pocket here. A huge mesh pocket. You can have a notebook. It fits perfect. Clothes, plenty of space. One. Definitely another one, no worries. And more, plenty of space. Just love it. Left and right, more space here. Wow. For your gloves maybe? Yeah, why not? And another one here. Plenty of space. Definitely it can fit more. Here at the front you can have a power bank. Maybe your phone. Yeah, why not? Same in here. A power bank. Or your phone. Equipped with various pockets, including zippered compartments and organizers to keep your accessories neat and accessible. AirPods, and pens. Nice. And another notebook. Here. Fits perfect. Plenty of space. And more here. Why not? A small power bank here. Why not? Fits perfect my hand. I have a huge hand. I like the design. Features a top wire handle, very durable. I just love how it looks. And I just forgot, here you can have in your keys. A hook for your keys. Very easy to install. There it is. Have your keys inside. Nice. I really like that smart storage layout, the padded laptop compartment and the water-resistant material that helps protect your gear in unpredictable weather. If you need a bag that can survive the daily grid, this is a top-tier contender. Between the 1680D high-density fabric and the reinforced stitching, it feels like it's built to last for years, not just months. The dedicated laptop compartment is well padded, giving you that essential peace of mind when you are navigating a crowded subway or a busy campus. It's a smart, professional-looking bag that doesn't compromise on toughness. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more everyday gear reviews and tech accessories. Thanks for watching, travel smart, and I'll see you in the next one.